My dear friends, we know in continuation to the reflection based on last Sunday's gospel and also my reflections on the opening ceremony of the Olympics regarding the outrage and the mockery that was done by the organizers of the Last Supper. There were many who were asking about the response from the Vatican, why the Vatican is so silent. And exactly after 8 days, the Vatican has come out with a statement. And the statement of the Vatican goes, the Vatican Saturday said that the performance showed a lack of respect for others. The Holy See was saddened by certain scenes at the opening ceremony of the Paris Olympic Games and cannot but join the voices raised in certain recent days to deplore the offense done to many Christians and believers of other religions. It is said in a weekend press release, and it shows, yes, though the response is not as I would say whip or a harsh criticism, but I would say something is better than nothing. And we are happy that the Vatican has come out with this statement, in fact condemning, not in a very stern way, but I would say in a very sweet way, saying that it is very sad. And yes, as I said again, it's an offense against the central truth of our faith, against the institution of the Eucharist, the institution of the priesthood and the commandment of love. And the Holy See further adds, at a prestigious event where the whole world comes together to share common values, there should not be allusions ridiculing the religious convictions of many people. The freedom of expression, which is clearly not called into question here, is limited by respect for others. Thus says the Vatican in the statement. So in conclusion, as the aim of the Olympics is to gather everyone together, to foster unity, to include everyone, inclusion, as they say, let us try to remain united. Let us not try to point fingers at others, accusing them of their own religious beliefs. But let us, I would say, come together as a global village or global entity, so that we show this oneness wherever we are.